In this video, what we're going to show is how we can work with multiple digital assistants. In this case, this is Power Virtual Agent from Microsoft, and we leverage off their NLP engine, though we are currently training our own NLP engine with a specific focus on risk management. What we're demonstrating on the screen is how we can use the agent to also do policy procedures lookup. So if you have people based in the field or at deployed sites, they can go straight to the policy and procedure that's relevant for the question that they've got. We can present them multiple options. We also build into that some of that work view. Can you please rate that response? That gives us specific feedback that allows us to improve the engine, improve the algorithm, but also what it allows the risk manager, issues manager, customer relationship manager to do. It allows them to identify all of those policy and procedure questions that may come up from the front line. If they see specific issues concentrated in one area, that allows them then to respond to it. In this case, we're again demonstrating how we can build into this particular agent a issues management process. And obviously this would then tailor into our own algorithm so that we can then use API calls and answer questions and respond to queries in relation to regular incidents, actions, comparable issues. The flow that we're demonstrating here is again tailored to your particular process. We can enter into the chat. It could be on a desktop, it could be on a mobile. We're impartial to the actual channel that we use, and that's important because you invest in the infrastructure for your company. And we don't want to replace that, we want to augment it. We want to build on what you already have and give it additional skills that are specifically focused around risk and issues management, customer complaints, data breaches. We want to be able to build in our algorithm those additional skills that leverage off multiple databases, multiple applications within your organization. So here, we've obviously built it to push straight through into an issues database, issue reported by the first line, and it works them through all of the data that's required in order, presents them different options that they can choose on the touch screen or with a mouse selection. We take that feedback, and again, when we give it that response to them, it allows us to see whether or not we're hitting the mark with what we're doing and how we're asking it. We can also set it up so that if somebody in the front line wants to talk directly with a risk manager, we can set that up in the system so that that would automatically go identify that risk manager. It would then look at their calendar details. It could message them directly. Once that message is received by the risk manager, that risk manager could respond directly, or he could get back to that person at a later stage because he's now aware of it. My name's Jason Wells, and I'm the founder of Psion Insights. And that was a demonstration of Psion Risk Advisor working with Microsoft's Power Virtual Agent, but it could be others as well. If you'd like to know more, then please get in touch.